My first year I worked in the shipping department, and then a little over 10 years in the receiving department, and almost 4 years. In September it'll be 4 years in returns. Pretty much just talking with customers about the product they need to send in to have looked at, evaluated for repair, or possibly sometimes we have to send them out to the vendors to get looked at as well. So it's a smaller group. I mean, we have 2 coordinators, our supervisor, and 2 techs, one for hydraulics, one for electronics. We just coordinate together, make sure we're all on the same page as far as when something's repaired, or if it can't get repaired, or if we have to send it to a vendor, and then we just communicate with the customer and let them know. And sometimes they have to choose if they want it scrapped or if they need a PO for repairs. We get back to them pretty quick, no more than 2 hours. Yeah, we're very thorough with everything. I mean, we communicate well with them and get right to the point. I think that's how they're very satisfied with everything. So the people in general, I mean, like I said, being outside of work with them, it shows that we're more than just coworkers. We can also be friends. The perks that GS has to offer as well, the flexibility and the understanding. Just like if you have any family issues outside of work, and they will help you out with as far as like hours, or or if you have to do home office or something like that, I would say absolutely give it a go. I mean, like I said, the perks here are great. Everyone is great, and there's room for advancement, and you can tell this company is growing. I've been here for 15 years, and before this I've worked at several other warehouses, and by far this is the cleanest and most organized warehouse I've ever witnessed, which makes things a lot easier when working here, whether it's in the warehouse, shop floor, or in the office. Yeah, and like I said, when you can get along with everybody, it makes your job a lot easier.